Chemical and physical properties. There are different ways to describe a chemical compound. It's important to be able to distinguish chemical and physical properties. A chemical property is any property that describes the way a compound reacts with another, or anything that involves the formation of a new substance. Physical properties are any property or change that can be observed or measured without creating a new substance. Here are some examples of different properties. When we say that a substance reacts with something or another substance, that it's toxic, that it's stable, unstable, or undergoes a combustion, we're talking about chemical properties. If we describe a substance by its texture, color, malleability, viscosity, etc., we're talking about physical properties. Let's analyze each property. The formation of rust is a chemical reaction that results from the corrosion of iron in the presence of oxygen. Because we're creating a new substance, this is a chemical change. Dew is formed by the condensation of mist on an object, which makes drops of water. Because this is a state change of water, going from gas to liquid, we're still talking about the same substance, water. Therefore, this is a physical change and not a chemical change. We can measure the density of water without having to make any chemical changes to the substance, so density is a physical property. In this situation, we start with two different substances, an acid and a base, to form two completely different substances, water and salt. This is an excellent example of a chemical change. Again, let's analyze each statement. The first says that at 100 degrees Celsius, liquid water turns into a gas. This is a physical property because it's only a state change. The polarity of a molecule is a physical property as well. Polarity is defined as an uneven spread of charges within a molecule, which doesn't involve the modification or formation of a substance. Molar mass is a physical property because we can simply calculate it without manipulating the substance chemically. Finally, the electrolysis of water is a chemical property. Electrolysis is a chemical reaction that aims to break apart the molecule. In the case of water, the molecule is separated into atoms of hydrogen and oxygen. There are no water molecules left after this reaction, so that's why this is a chemical property.